How many push-ups should I be able to do? Push-up averages. Performing 25 push-ups in a row is considered good and falls within a reasonable range for upper body strength and endurance. The range you provided, 20 for 30, suggests that being able to do 25 push-ups is generally a positive indicator of upper body fitness. However, the ability to do push-ups can vary based on factors such as age, fitness level, and gender. What's most important is that you feel comfortable with your level of fitness and continue to challenge yourself gradually. If your goal is to improve your push-up capability, you can gradually increase the number of push-ups you do in each session. Additionally, incorporating variations of push-ups and other strength training exercises for the upper body can contribute to overall strength and muscle development. It's important to note that the number of push-ups you can do is just one aspect of your overall fitness. A well-rounded fitness routine should also include cardiovascular exercise, flexibility training, and exercises targeting different muscle groups. Always listen to your body, maintain proper form during exercises, and consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions. Setting realistic and achievable fitness goals is key to maintaining a healthy and sustainable exercise routine.